Today, we're going to talk about two words that can be confusing, hear and listen. These words are similar, but they have different jobs, and we're going to figure out when to use each one. Hear is the ability to detect sounds or noises around, often without any specific effort or intention. It is a passive action. Imagine hear is like your ears picking up sounds without trying. It's when you notice noises around you like birds chirping or a car passing by. You don't have to do anything special, it just happens. We generally do not use the verb hear in the continuous or progressive form. Hear is typically used in the simple form because it represents a passive action of perceiving sounds or noises.
I can hear the rain falling on the roof.
Did you hear the dog barking outside?
In the quiet night, you can hear the crickets chirping.
The verb listen is an active action that involves paying attention and intentionally focusing on a particular sound or conversation. It is often followed by the preposition to.
Please listen to your teacher during class.
They should listen to the instructions.
He loves to listen to his grandpa's stories from the past.